Hello everyone, welcome to iQuanta and welcome to Quant 200 series, where we are discussing one of the best questions that you will see throughout all the topics, let it be numbers or algebra or geometry or arithmetic and even modern maths. So this is another question in this series. So try this one and then we are going to discuss the solution. Okay, I hope you tried the question and got the correct answer. Now let's see the best way to solve this question. It says in an examination of 12,600 students, the ratio of total number of boys to total number of girls is 3:4. The ratio of number of students who passed the exam to those who failed the exam is in the ratio of 11:3. Among the girls, the ratio of number of students who passed to those who failed the exam is in the ratio of 11:4. Find the difference between the number of boys who passed and failed the exam. So in this kind of questions where we have two different attributes and two different categories, it's really good if you make a table. Okay, it's not a DI problem, but still making a table will be very helpful. You won't be confused at any point of the time. We have boys, we have girls, we have boys who passed the exam, we have students who have failed this exam, and then we have total given as well. In case of this as well, total is given. Now what do we have? We have total of total. What is total of total? 12,600, of which boys is to girls 3:4. So can I say if boys are 3x, girls will be 4x, total will be 7x, and in that case number of boys will be equal to 3/7 into 12,600. This is 1800 and this will be equal to 5400. So total number of boys 5400. Rest of them must be girls. So 12,600 minus 5400, 7,200 are girls. Now it says that number of students who passed and who failed are in the ratio 11:3. Again, this is 11y, this is 3y, total it will be 14y. So what we can say, number of students passed will be equal to 11 out of 14 of 12,600. 14 into 9 is equal to 126. So 9,900 students passed this exam and the rest of them, which is 2,700, failed this exam. Then the ratio of the number of students is already given, and among the girls who passed and who failed are in the ratio 11:4. So what we can say, if this is 11z, this is 4z. So total 15z. So how many girls passed? Girls who passed will be 11/15 of 7,200. 4 times 60, 8 times 120, 480 into 11, which is 0, then 8, then 2, and then 5. 5280. These are the number of girls who passed. So 5280. Number of girls who failed. 7,200 minus 5,200 is 2,000 minus 80. It will be 1920. So what we can say, number of boys who passed will be 9,900 minus 5280. 9,900 minus 5,300 is 4,600 plus 20, 4,620. Number of boys who failed, 2,700 minus 2,000, 780. Now if you add these two, are we getting 5,400? No, I guess this value is not 5,400. This is 5,500, right? So we must have missed something. So let's check our calculation again. 9,900 minus 5,300 is 4600, 4620. So in this case, is that clear? Yes. So I guess this will be 780. That is correct. So okay, this calculation is all good. 46 plus 7, 53, 5400. So the difference that we are looking for, the difference is equal to 4620 minus 780, which will be equal to 0. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 45 minus 7 is 38. 3840. That is your answer. Okay. Thank you.